Hey everybody, Mindset Trend and Trades. Let's get into it. So I'm going to do a video on my top three holdings here. Mara, CleanSpark, and Hive, all in the Bitcoin mining space. Let's first take a deep look at Mara. As you can see, these have had a great run recently. Fantastic run. We caught her down on the bottom, around 15, and we've gotten about 50% gains on Mara. Not too bad. So let's see where we're up against now. It closed today right at this support line, or I guess we call it a resistance line. Back here in May 2024, it was also a reversal area where it came back down to the $19 range before it went back up. It's also the harmonic optimum price level of this bearish shark here. So we're going to get a little bit of resistance there. We broke through it today, but we couldn't close above it. So maybe we see a bit of a reversal since these have been running hot and Bitcoin isn't moving. So maybe we come down 6%, test this 2150 level. It's not tested on the 4-hour yet, so that could be a level, or we come deeper. We hit the target 1 here, and we got a T1 signal. I mean, you could come down and hit T2. But first we have to start, obviously, by breaking this hop level. So maybe tomorrow, if Bitcoin hasn't moved any, maybe look for it to come back down to 2150 and see if we can get an entry there or anything like that. We'll move to the daily. Same thing, really. We're just up against this old resistance level here. And with this other resistance level or support level here, I have plotted at around $19. So I'd say if we can't break this $23 mark here, $22.77, we're likely in for down. But I think if we can break this $23, I think we got almost clear skies to $27. Maybe we'll have some stopping around this T2 from this bullish bat pattern or this hop level here at 25. That'd be a good first target if we're getting into a trade once it kind of maybe breaks over this $23 range, maybe gives us a back test, and then let's shoot for 25 or 27 would be the next. Really, it's straight up, straight down, straight up, straight down. So that's be a nice play here. What's that? Another 20%, 18% gain. Not too bad. So that's what I'm thinking about Mara right now. I mean, it could kind of stay here for a bit, come back down. So consider taking some profits if it's staying below $23 and then get back in maybe when it confirms a break through the $23 mark would be my suggestion. I think I might implement some of that tomorrow. Let's take a look at CleanSpark. CleanSpark here looks like it's putting in maybe a pattern. It's not confirmed yet, but look at that. Perfect. It closed right on this heart line of this channel. We'll see how real this channel is here. Started back in November 2023. We got 2 touches on the top. We got our 3 touches on the bottom of this channel. We got a touch here, we're a heart line. This heart line was support all of 2024. So this is a real channel here. And last time we kind of got a nice big pop from the bottom. It hit this heart line and it was a major reversal. Shown by this red arrow, and we're kind of getting another red arrow here and a bear structure in development. So we shouldn't be too surprised if CleanSpark maybe pauses here, gives us a bit of reversal, maybe comes all the way back down to 1760. I mean, if you got this bottom here in September, you're up 157%. So that's really great. Yeah, this is tricky. These miners they're at key resistance spots right now. This heart line is real, and it's look at this. It correlates to another old resistance spot or inflection point where it went down from here. So if you're fully in it, maybe now is the time to take some profits, and I think I'm going to be doing that just in case we get that downturn. But you know, it's volatile. It could keep going. It could go down, but we've made it to these levels here pretty much unscathed. So now we're getting this bearish signal. we're up against the level. We're up against this heart line. Something to consider. So look at the 4 hour. Same thing. It's, yeah, nothing else can tell us here, but all right. And my last largest holding here, we'll look at Hive. So Hive, it's had an incredible run too. I mean, I was buying it down here actually, around $1. So I've got a nice 300% gain. So I can't complain. Well, I was to the top. But what I really started picking up was actually on this arrow down here. So from here to where it is now, we're up 183%. As you see here, this heart line was real. Like CleanSpark hit that today. It managed to get above it the next day and give us a back test. Like it and Hive's been able to do this too without leaving any gaps, I don't think. Might be a small gap there, around 560, but well, this is the 4 hour as well. Let's look at the daily. The daily, yeah, looks good. That's incredible. So now we're kind of in the middle of this range. You know, here's the heart line. Here's the top of the zone of this channel. And this channel again is very real. Touch, touch, touch. This heart line's been respected all the way through. And yeah, I plotted this. This is the old resistance point, and that's where we close today. So all three of these are at key levels at the moment. It's either like a make or break here. I mean, they've already been made. We've had great returns, but like we can go even higher. So we got this resistance point here at 683. So I like to break that. Today we closed at 681. So we closed below the resistance line. Zoom in a bit. Looks like we've had yesterday's close was above it, but we couldn't get follow through. So let's see maybe if this holds support here at 680. Maybe, I mean, that's pretty close. So let's see if they can hold 680 as does the support and see if we can keep the move higher. But if not, it's probably manage your risk wisely here. It's tricky. It's hard to get in a new position here. Yeah, it's tricky. We got to make sure that really the only thing that'll help this is if Bitcoin keeps going up. Yeah, so that's kind of my update for these three stocks. They're all in inflection points right now. They've made great returns. I mean, they went straight up. It could just as well come straight down. So you always got to keep that in mind. And yeah, I'm kind of thinking through my process here and what I should do. I'm still holding the majority of my positions, but contemplating maybe to take a little bit of risk off as we've had a crazy run. So yeah, let me know if you guys' thoughts. If you made it this far, like the video, and leave me a comment. Thanks.